Hey guys, welcome back to Ungraceful Garage. Today I'm unboxing a welder that I just bought. I do not know how to weld. I've tried it once and it was horrible attempt because I don't know what I'm doing at all. But I do need to learn how to weld because I got that Camaro project coming up. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check the video out. It's my new project or something like that. It's got the car with the tarp, Camaro 85. Check it out. It is pretty bad. It's gonna be some fun, hopefully not too strenuous on the mind. But anyways, unboxing a welder I just bought. Let's check it out. Yep, I got the Yeswelder. Yes, I did. But let's open her up. Check out what's inside. Very careful. Okay. I see you. So we are gonna put it down on the ground. Alright, so that's how we got it packaged here. Pretty secure in there. Nice packaging. I'm assuming this is stuff. See if it just slides out. Come on. Sarsaparilla. Okay. Oh yeah, thing looks good. This is the MIG portion. Now I am not a welder. I don't know if I've said that or not. So hopefully I got something that will work for me. As far as I need it to be 110 because I don't have a 220 plug. And also I was hoping this had gas. I need something to cut this. Schnips. Alright. I think this, I don't even know. Okay. It's a lot more fancy than the welder I had before. Let's just leave that on for now. So we got our MIG, whatever you want to call that, dealy there. Pretty nice looking. I don't know what this is, but I might find out. Get this plastic off. Oh no. That's great. Box out that way. Scoot this back. So this is supposed to have a 110 plug and a 220 plug. All I see right now is the big plug. Which is right here. Which I can't use. Let's check the back out. Oh, there's where the gas goes right here. Gas. On, off. Big old plug that I can't use, so hopefully. Oh, it says right there input 110 or 220. I think this comes off so I can change it. Alright. And let's look in here real quick. Horrible lighting. But ouch. My eyes. That's where my spool must go. I don't know what any of this is, so I don't want to mess with it. But it looks pretty nice feeling. Coming from a non-welder person, I don't know what I'm really looking at here. Got a cool cover over the buttons. Oh, because it's got a screen, that's why. I don't want to get a splatter or anything on your screen. It kind of looks like a PC, doesn't it? Kind of gamer. But, alright. So, with that being said, it looks like a pretty nice rig. It feels really nice, sturdy. I have been using that thing, which I've heard they're not bad welders. I don't know what I'm doing, man. I never really got that good at that one. Yep. But anyways, we're gonna try this one out. Actually, try to learn how to weld instead of just doing it. All right, let's check out the accessories. It says we here got the work clamp, electrode holder, power adapter cord, gas hose, and the user manual, and my wire feed roller. Let's see. Oh, here's the. Oh, it's an adapter. That's kind of. I don't know if that's normal or not, but cool, I guess. We got. This is the lead. I think this is like my ground lead, I believe. Yeah, I believe you just clamp that puppy down on whatever you're welding for the flux and whatnot. This is the gas hose. Seems pretty straightforward. We got the. This is for the stick welding. Seems pretty nice. I mean, I've never even opened a nice welder, so I don't know what to compare it to, but seems nice. Yeah. Not much. And we got some, looks like some Teflon tape. And our little fucking nozzles, or tips, little tips. And I don't know what that is, but I got that too. That's our, here's a guide for the gauges. Oh yeah. Nice little user manual. Welder settings chart. You're gonna need that. Gonna have to pin that up on the pinup board here. Okay, well, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna have to go through this whole instruction manual to figure this out. So, I am going to just post this. We unboxed it, and I will have it ready very soon. And then I want to do, I don't know if it'll be every day. It's hard for me to commit to an everyday thing. I got a full-time job, 2 kids, wife, and yeah, got things to do and stuff. And I ain't got no money to buy steel all the time. But anyways, what I'm getting at is I would like to do a welding, like, day 1 of me trying to weld thing, day 2. But like I said, it probably won't be a consistent everyday thing. Probably be like a maybe once a week thing. We'll see. But first I gotta get the welder going, and then we'll go from there. So see you next time. Staying graceful, and hopefully learn how to weld this year.